Hi guys and welcome to YouTube. Today I will show you how to deal with special characters in your password for SQL database using Python. I have faced with this issue recently when my Terraform script generated the password with special character. I was using random password from Terraform and of course I was using override special flag, but Terraform still generated the password with @. Believe me, I spent an hour trying to debug this issue. To demonstrate this, we will use local Postgres SQL instance and Python code to read metadata from the server to prove that we have connection to our Postgres SQL. So let's get started. I'm using Docker to run my Postgres server, and all what you need is just install the Docker, and after that you need to run docker pull Postgres. In that case it will pull the latest image from the Postgres, and I already have it, so this is very quick for me. For you it will take maybe a couple minutes, depends on your connection. So once the Postgres image is downloaded, you need to run the container, and this is the command where you run the container. Let me describe flags which I am using. So I'm using --rm. It will automatically delete the container once I am stopped. I'm using the port forwarding and the Postgres password, -d run container in the background and print the container ID, and the Postgres, this is the name of the image. I run it, and now let's switch to the Python code. So I'm using SQL Alchemy to connect to Postgres because in my scenario I was using FastAPI application, and FastAPI, I mean, this is the regular way how we can deal with the Postgres or any database using like ORM system. So as you can see, the code is very straightforward. You have a host, database, user, password, and port, and then based on these variables, we generate the connection string and we create the engine. So of course, the password right now is hard-coded, but it can be your environment variables or something. But to demonstrate exactly the issue with the password, I just decided to leave it hard-coded. Okay, after we create the agent, we run the simple command to get the metadata about our schemas. So let's quickly run this. And as you can see, we are printing information schema and public, which is default schemas inside of the Postgres database. So let's change the password. For example, we will change 123. Run again. And we got the error that the password identification failed, which is okay, right? So let's drop the container and create the new one with different password. So I drop the container, and because I stop it, it's automatically delete the container. So right now I don't have this container. So in that case, I can create another one with the same name. But in that case, as you can see, Postgres password has the @ sign inside of the password. Let me create it. And then let me change the password in our Python code. I will put @ sign. Now let's run. And as you can see, the SQL Alchemy show us that the host name kind of looks weird, right? So it's gonna on @localhost. So it looks like everything before was ignored in the password. So now let's update the Python code to handle this issue. From url parse, we need to import quote plus, and then we will use this function to wrap our password. We save it. Now let's run it. Here we go. Bingo! Everything is working as expected. So url package is a part of the Python, and you can read more about Qt plus function in the code when you click here. So that's it, guys. Now you know how to handle special characters in your password when you're trying to build a connection string. Thank you for watching, and do not hesitate to leave a comment below if you have any question. And of course, please like and subscribe if this video was helpful for you.